stop stressing, take control of your money, and build a budget for your dream life. That's what I'm going to help you do in the Money Mastery class. What's up, guys? My name is Nick True, and I run a YouTube channel and podcast called Mapped Out Money with my wife, Hannah. And over the past 6 years, we've been able to manage money well and help us truly create our version of a dream life. We've been able to leave jobs that we didn't like, buy an Airstream RV and travel the country full time, take care of emergencies as they happen, get pets, and I mean lots of pets, and build wealth that will help support our family for the future. And that's what mastering your money is for. It's to help you live your adventure. It's to help you live your dreams, which are likely very different than mine. Adventure is defined as an exciting or a remarkable experience. And is that how you would define your financial situation right now? Probably not. But it should be. See, budgeting isn't supposed to be this restrictive thing, this thing that holds you down. Budgeting is supposed to help you put your priorities first. It's supposed to help you turn your dreams into reality. Dreams that some people might even deem impossible. Whether that's traveling full-time in an RV, preparing adequately for retirement, paying down your student loans, or just not having to stress about rent next month. That's what I'm here to help you do in this class. So, what is this class? Is this just an in-depth YNAB training class? No, not at all. Now, we will use YNAB as the primary budgeting tool for the class, and if you have any YNAB specific questions, I will answer every single last one of them. But this class is so much more than just a YNAB training session. I'm going to be taking you through my 5-step process to use a budget to help you achieve your dreams. First, we will determine your starting place and make a tracking budget. This is where we'll get everything set up, build a budget that shows how you're currently living, and basically just tracks your situation. Next, we'll refine your vision. We're going to set the budget aside for a moment and dive deep into your specific dreams, unique values, and priorities that suit you and your family. We're going to talk big picture, where you want to be in 1, 3, 5, and 10 years, and get really clear on what a dream life looks like for you. Third, we're going to establish your plan. Now that we have a tracking budget and we have these big, massive dreams for 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years out, we now need to understand what are we going to do in the meantime. So we're going to take that vision and work backwards and make a clear plan for what you can be doing over the next few weeks. Fourth, we're going to actualize your dream. This is the critical step where we're going to take everything we did in steps 2 and 3 and work them back into that tracking budget that we made at the very beginning. This is where we actually make the budget fun and not restrictive, while also ensuring that the budget will help you turn those dreams into reality. Lastly, we will make this process a habit. In this final step, we're going to learn the daily, weekly, and monthly routines that you need to take this whole process and repeat it for the rest of your life. Yes, Hannah and I have used this 5-step process to buy an Airstream, travel full-time, and do everything that we've done to this point. But we're also still currently using this process as our vision and our dreams change. And we're planning to use this process to save and buy a rental property in the next year, put down a down payment on a house for ourselves when we're done traveling in the Airstream, and start preparing to adopt kids. That's what our adventure looks like, and that's why this 5-step process is so crucial, because you can continue to use it as your adventure and your dreams change over time. So if you're interested in mastering your money, be sure to check out all the details of the class down below. We'll be meeting every Monday and Thursday live for the next 5 weeks. You'll have homework each week that I will personally review and give you feedback on. Plus, you'll have a Facebook group where you can interact with the other students in the class and bounce ideas off of them. And of course, you'll have unlimited email access to me so that I can answer any and all questions that you have as you go throughout the class. I promise that I'm going to do everything I can to help you succeed with money in this class. And if you have any issues with it, that's fine. You can get a full refund, completely guaranteed. So check out the details below, reach out if you have any questions at all, and I look forward to seeing you in class.